Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to connect Mailchimp to WordPress. We're going to go over to our WordPress site and then here under plugins, we're going to click on add new plugin. And right here, we're going to search for Mailchimp. And right here, you'll notice that we have some options for Mailchimp. We have Mailchimp for WordPress. We have Mailchimp for WooCommerce. When we scroll down, we can see some other Mailchimp options. So this means that it's your choice to decide which of the MailChimp options you want. For example, this is MailChimp List Subscribe Form, and this is MailChimp Forms by MailMunch. We're going to go with MailChimp for WooCommerce. Right away, we're going to click on Install. Now we can see it's installed. We can click on Activate. And now that it's active, we could look at the sidebar on the left. We can see Mailchimp. And here you can see that it's currently disconnected. All you need to do next is to connect your account or create an account with Mailchimp if you don't have any. So if you have an account, all you need to do is to click on Connect Account. Put in your Mailchimp details and you'll be connected to your WordPress. And right here, you'll need to put your username and password, and then click on Login. And on this page, you'll need to authorize your Mailchimp to connect with WordPress WooCommerce. Click on Allow. Great. And now that it's connected, all we need to do is to synchronize our Mailchimp with Mailchimp here on WooCommerce in WordPress. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.